Recently, all the big tech giants have been racing to advance their AI technology, and Apple has finally entered the game with its beta version of Apple Intelligence. While still in development, Apple Intelligence is loaded with useful features and relies on on-device processing to protect your data. Apple CEO Tim Cook has emphasized the company's commitment to privacy and quality. He noted that although Apple Intelligence might occasionally produce hallucinations, they've implemented guardrails to maintain high-quality, trustworthy responses. Apple's approach, according to Cook, is to be not first, but best, focusing on enriching users' lives with secure and reliable AI features. On the other hand, Claude Sonnet 3.5 is taking things a step further with hands-on computer control capabilities, allowing AI to perform tasks directly on your desktop. Stick around, because at the end of the video, I'll not only summarize the comparison but also share some advice on how to maximize both tools to fit your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's explore Apple Intelligence, Apple's latest AI suite integrated into macOS Sequoia. With the power of Apple Silicon, this suite introduces advanced writing tools, a smarter Siri, and intelligent enhancements to apps like Mail, Messages, and Photos. One standout feature is its advanced writing tools, capable of summarizing text, proofreading, and generating alternative versions of the same text to help you find the best wording and tone. It's designed to improve productivity and make your work look polished. Siri has also received a major upgrade with Apple Intelligence. Siri now has richer language understanding and can perform actions across apps, making interactions smoother and more efficient. Privacy is a key focus for Apple. Apple Intelligence processes data on your device and only uses private cloud computing, ensuring that your information remains secure and protected. This approach ensures that your data stays private and is not shared with third parties, offering a huge benefit for users who prioritize data security and personal privacy. Now, let's look at Claude Sonnet 3.5, the latest AI model from Anthropic. Claude Sonnet 3.5 comes with a groundbreaking feature, the ability to control a computer through the Computer Use API. This feature allows Claude to mimic human actions on a desktop, moving the cursor, clicking buttons, and typing text. It can automate a wide range of tasks, helping streamline repetitive or complex workflows. Claude Sonnet's desktop control capabilities make it an ideal tool for automation. It can manage tasks like filling out forms, moving files, and retrieving information from various applications, which can significantly boost productivity. Imagine automating form submissions or organizing files across multiple apps in seconds. Claude Sonnet 3.5's ability to perform these tasks makes it incredibly versatile, especially for users who need more hands-on automation. Let's compare the key features of Apple Intelligence and Claude Sonnet 3.5 side by side. Apple Intelligence excels in its integration with macOS and Apple's ecosystem, offering a smooth, privacy-focused user experience. Meanwhile, Claude Sonnet stands out for its desktop control capabilities, allowing for unmatched task automation. When it comes to privacy, Apple Intelligence's on-device processing is a strong advantage for users who need secure AI support. Claude Sonnet, with its extensive automation abilities, is fantastic for users who prioritize task efficiency over privacy concerns, especially as it's still in beta. Apple Intelligence is tailored for users within the Apple ecosystem, providing seamless integration that enhances user experience. Claude Sonnet, with its automation and cross-platform potential, is better suited for users who require automation across multiple devices and applications. To wrap it up, both Apple Intelligence and Claude Sonnet 3.5 are impressive tools but cater to different needs. Apple Intelligence offers a seamless and secure experience for Apple users, making it a great choice for cases where privacy is essential. This could be ideal for tasks like handling personal emails, managing sensitive files, or using AI in healthcare-related settings where data security is a must. Claude Sonnet, on the other hand, shines in situations that require high automation without privacy concerns. It's perfect for handling workflows in software development, data entry tasks, and repetitive office work, where productivity matters most. Thank you for joining this in-depth look at Apple Intelligence and Claude Sonnet 3.5. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Drop your thoughts below on which AI you prefer and why.